gosh. This is insane. This is nuts. We got birds to see! We're running late right now. Currently 2:20. Just leaving town here. Oh my god, I'm gonna get hit by a semi. We gotta go scout because the birds are feeding right now and we are late. We are late. This is not okay. This is not a drill. We gotta get dialed. We're gonna get on the honkers this weekend and the boys are gonna be buzzing, so stay tuned. There you go. Where are you going? I'm gonna call him in. Look at all those snow geese. Look at the standing corn here. Look in the beams over there. This is insane. Well guys, we just rolled up to this feed that we saw from a ways out and it is freaking packed. I mean, look at this. Look at all the birds that are flying right now. On top of, oh my gosh. Look at that. Dude. Adam, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is insane. This is insane.
I tell you what though, we had some problems in the past, so this year we just decided we're going to allow any hunters out there, so I don't have any good news for you there in that department.
So you guys aren't allowing hunters?
No.
Welcome back, boys. Currently 6:06 in the morning. Ad and I on our way out to the field right now. Running a little two-man today, so hopefully we'll get after them. It's not that cold, but it's kind of cold, so hopefully we have a good day today. Got about a 10-minute drive out to the field this morning, so it's gonna be quick. Let's do this thing. Cold out, folks. Came back to the truck here. The last clip that you saw before this was us showing you the spread. The birds have not gotten off the water yet. It is currently
10:34.
10:34. And yeah, we're sitting in the truck just warming up, and we're just gonna kind of keep an eye out, see if they start to fly here soon. And as soon as they start to fly, we're gonna run back out to the spread, hopefully get on them. The next clip you'll probably see is us doing a mad dash out to the spread, so here we go. Well boys, we are currently packed up and heading out of the field here. It is a little after, I guess it's almost noon, so we're gonna go back to home base here, regroup, and I think we're gonna go scout today. So gonna try to get on a good snow goose feed for you guys tomorrow, and we'll see what we can make happen.
Many hours later.
Okay guys, so as I stated earlier, we are currently out scouting and we stumbled across a mega feed. And when I say mega feed, I mean like a couple 100,000 birds. And I'm not exaggerating right now. And granted, I haven't been goose hunting that long, but the guys I'm with are telling me that this is insane. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around and you guys can judge it as you want and you guys can see for yourself. So they're so far away, but I mean, if you look through the binoculars, that is so thick out there. That line, all of that white is birds, and they just keep going. Just keep going. I seriously don't think the camera does this justice. This is the most amount of geese I've ever seen in my life. This is insane. This is crazy. This might be some of the coolest footage ever captured on this channel, and that is not a joke. I mean, they're just geese, but like, this is crazy. This is insane. And they're coming, they keep coming. Holy cow, look at this. Look at this. In the sky. Just look at this. Look at that. Look at this. This is insane. This is nuts. Okay, so we just had a little... It is getting complicated. We just had a powwow on a gravel road in the middle of North Dakota. I mean,
5 trucks.
We had like 5 trucks out there, landowner, farmer, like... It was crazy. Long story short, I think we're chilling. So, we're gonna get on the birds tomorrow, and I don't know what's gonna happen, so... I don't know. Here we go. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back here. It is the next day. We are currently setting up decoys. We got all these socks here, and I'm gonna shine my light, do the best that I can, and show you what we're working with. We're setting up around 1,000 decoys, and we got 3, 4, 5 guys out here, I believe, and we should get after it. So here we go. I'm gonna show you what the spread's looking like right now. Look at all these decoys. All right, boys, we're in the blinds. We got about 10 minutes till shooting light. Got a lot of decoys out today. Hopefully get after them. Got a lot of birds in the area, so I guess we'll see what happens.
All right, guys, so we got probably about 1,200 socks out here. Probably running about a couple hundred silos. We got a feeding line off to the left here. We got a feeding line off to the right. And then we got this whole backside packed along here. And got a couple family groups out in the middle. Broke up the shape. I put a couple family groups on the outside as well. And we got a lot of birds. So got a big open chute for them to funnel in, and got a good wind, as you can see.
It's ripping out here.
Yeah, I've got about 20, consistent like 20 mile an hour wind.
5 shooters.
5 shooters, so pretty good height. As you can see, we're in pretty tall corn stubble. So we'll see what happens.
Sky is white.
Well, like bigger than. Holy. Well, there goes the roost, boys. Yeah. And they're flying right.
Yeah.
Look at all those birds.
Everybody tuck in your blanket.
Hey, we're gonna let him go by. Let him go by after this. We'll wait for the death spin. Wait. Holy. Wait. Here's the death spin. Just wait. Wait. Wait for the back group. Wait for the back group. Wait. Wait for the back group. Wait for the back group. Wait. Go! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Holy sh**.
Hey, here they come, here they come.
They're coming back, they're coming back.
Dude, I got a video of the whole thing. No, I all of my phone. At 10 yards.
Boys, that was insane. We just had the first group come in. I don't even know, my heart was racing so fast. I don't even know if I shot any. I was in awe. I was in awe. That was insane. We're picking up birds right now. And this has potential to get greasy, so we gotta lock in here.
Kill him! Yeah, baby.
There we go.
Good shooting. Nice job, boys. Hey, now that was some good shooting. Yeah.
Let him go. Here's the best thing, boys.
We live on the GoPro. I'm calling it. There's gonna be a band in this group right here.
That's right, guys.
There we go.
Nice shooting, boys.
I whiffed my first two. I think I got the third.
Did you see
This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is epic. This is freaking epic.
Now kill him. Hell yeah, look out. Bam!
Boom.
Boys, load up, here they come!
Oh my
God!
What the hell?
They're juvies! They're juvies! Oh,
This is crazy.
God damn,
This is crazy.
insane! This is what dreams are made of, boys! Hell yeah, bro!
They just keep coming.
The one on the right, John.
Okay. Oh.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Oh, my Jordy!
There we go.
That's pretty good shooting.
Right here!
Shoot this thing.
Oh! Beautiful shot, man. Kill him!
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Nice.
Nice shot. Hell yeah, Jordan.
Alright guys, currently packing up decoys, and game warden stopped by, checked everything out, and we'll be on our merry way, but just thought I'd update you guys, so that's going on. What's up everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to the video today. It is currently about a week and a half after we filmed this hunt. We went out and got this done on November 12th. It is currently November 22nd. And also I'm currently in Michigan right now. I'm finishing up the edits of this video in a hotel lobby, and my apologies for not being able to get this out on Tuesday, but it's up now, so that's all that matters. I guess wrapping things up here, we ended the day with 133 snow geese on the ground. It was insane. This was my first ever snow goose hunt, and I'm very grateful to be a part of it. The guys that I was with were telling me that this is not normal, and this was insane, and that is the only word I would use to describe this hunt. So huge shout out to everybody involved, Adam, Keegan, Jordy, all the fellas. It was awesome. It was insane. Like I said, no other words to describe it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We got plenty more coming, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed for future videos because they're on the way and they're going to be better than ever. I might retire from snow goose hunting after this hunt because I don't know if I will ever be a part of one that will top this. It was crazy. So got nothing but positive things to say about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. with all that being said, I have nothing else to say. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace.